Hello all, good morning. Welcome back to my channel Working Bank Aspirant. Okay guys, there are hardly 10 days left for my prelims examination, which is SBI clerk. So please let me know your examination dates. So I have already made a video on pre-examination trainings and also my admit card related videos. Okay, this is the strategy video guys which I am following for the last 10 days. It might be helpful for you all, so that is the reason I am making a video. This is not even a sponsored video. Before starting that this video, so I just want to clear it is not even a sponsored video, but the genuine platforms which I am currently using, so I am suggesting for you all. And also please comment me in the comment section if anybody want these videos which is free. I have already been purchased, but I just want to upload these PDFs freely for you all. Okay, now I am starting this video. So this is the first platform guys, which is Guidely. I'm using Guidely from the past 1 year. I felt the standard is little bit high, but even though if we prepare for a high level, it might be easy if the paper level was easy. Okay, I feel that's the thing. So I'm using Guidely, which is I have been purchased PDF bundle course of 2025. It costed around something less than 500 only guys, because I have been purchased before like it was almost a year, I think so, like 6 to 8 months. I'm not sure on which date I have been purchased, but it was costed around 500 to 600, that's it. So first, currently I'm using SBI Clerk Prelims PDF course, which is bundle PDF course, which is having of 50 days. So I have not it. I thought to complete these 50 days before a month ago itself, but I don't know, because of uh, professional works or because of my laziness, I have not even completed. So I thought there are hardly 50 days left, right? So for 50 days on each day, I'm going to complete 5 videos of each section. Okay, there is a reasoning session. I am able to come. I need to complete 5 on each day. Quant 5 on each day, English on 5 on each day. So then I can complete 50 days targets on Feb 22nd. If I'll start from today, of which is Feb 12th, I'm saying I have been recording the video on Feb 12th. I think I'll try to upload it soon. So on 21st it will be 10 days, right? So on each day 5 of each section I'm able to complete 50 days target. So this is the first priority for me, because while I am attempting the full mock test, I'm not able to resolve all the questions completely. Means, for example, coming to the reasoning, I'm not able to complete all 35 questions, or at least 30. So that is the reason I'm around in between 20 to 30. So that is the reason I just want to complete these bundle PDFs. It might increase my speed. So I'm not continuously preparing from the starting, so there is a gap for months. So that is the reason I just want to complete these 50 days PDFs. If I'll try to complete these 50 days PDFs, it might be very useful for me in my prelims examination. And also, once my prelims will be completed, I'll let you know all about the sequences and type of questions that they have been asked. Okay, so this is the first checklist of mine, which I'm going to complete 50 days PDFs on each day, five for each section. Okay, this is not even a sponsored video guys. And coming to the second part, which is of Guidely only, say I have been purchased right on 2024. At the end there is an offer which I'm able to access 2025 also, so that is the reason I'm able to access all these. So here also section wise guys, this is which is 50 days PDF. The time I'll just explain overall to you. Here we are having two to three puzzles and seating arrangements, and score booster, which is of 22 minutes. Quant is of 25 minutes. English is of 22 minutes. So, but actual exam will be 20 minutes, right? 35 questions, 20 minutes. Here, questions will be 40 or 45, which is of 22 minutes. So it is for practice, which is not having actual questions. Here 40 questions, which is in 22 minutes, 45, 22, 25, 40 questions in 22 minutes. So this is for practice purpose guys. This is not the actual exam pattern. And coming to this, we are having actual exam pattern, like we are having 35 questions in 20 minutes. So I am trying to attempt these type of questions also. Here we need to click on SBI clerk, and which is of prelims. And even if you want reasoning or something like that, so there will be 10 sets guys. So I thought these 10 sets I'm going to complete on a daily basis, on each day each set. So sectional test will be each day one, and 5 practice questions test like this, like on 5 days, 5 days PDFs on only one day, and one sectional test. So this is the second checklist I'm doing, guys. Okay, these two from Guidely, and from textbook I'm trying to attempt a free mock test, guys. Free, there is a free which is you are able to see here, right? So till today night, so I'm going to attempt till today only. So on day basis or on day by day basis we are able to see free mock test. So it is not sponsored. I already said at the starting of the video, it is not even sponsoring, guys. So SBI Clerk Prelims free mock test, I'm from textbook I'm going to attempt, and also from practice mock I will attempt, and also from here which is from textbook, and from Guidely also connecting free mock test. And also one more thing, I'm using Smartkida and also Oliveboard. So textbook, Smartkida, Oliveboard, these three are free tests I'm going to attend. I'm having a purchase in textbook and Guidely, but mainly I'm focusing on Guidely. I don't know, because I feel we should not search for any questions. We can easily find the targets on a daily basis in Guidely, so that is the reason I haven't purchased. I know that so many people are not able to purchase that, which is Guidely PDF bundle course, right? So if anybody want, please comment me in the comment section. I'll upload this PDF, guys. Okay, we are able to see here, right? When we click on this, we will get PDFs, right? So I'll download and I'll try to upload if anybody want. So if anybody comment me in the comment section, if one person also comment me in the comment section, I'll definitely going to provide you all. Okay, this is the PDF we are having. So I felt this level was very easy, guys, this sectional type questions, but this level was some little what, little, not that much of high, little high compared to this, I felt. So if we prepare these 50 days, it might high chances to clear the prelims examination, guys. So this is the strategies. Guidely on top, textbook, Smartkida, Oliveboard, practice mocks. So these are all the 5 sources which I am preparing, because I'm not sticking on to only one platform. We cannot say that which type of pattern questions we get in this year, because the pattern will going to change, the type of questions are going to change. So that is the reason we should be use the resources as much as we can. So that is the reason we should not stick onto one platform. So currently I'm using 5 platforms, but mainly I'm considering Guidely, which is I felt it was somewhat a bit level compared to normal prelims level examination. So it might useful for me in my case. So if you feel that you are not able to score good marks in on Guidely mock test, no issue, guys. Just try to attempt as much as you can, just improve your speed, that's it. Okay, there will be just we need to analyze our mistakes and we should not repeat it again. So this is the only moral we should attempt while we are attempting. We should keep that accuracy matters, that's it. So that's all from my end, guys. So this is the one important update from my side, and also I'll try to upload on a daily basis shorts to you all once I'll complete all 5 days PDFs. We are able to see here, right? Once I'll complete this, we are having this result option here, test, here test option is there, right? So once I'll complete, you will get, there is an highlight option called result. So I'll upload shorts on that day 1, day 2, day 3, like the 10 days. uh that's all for this video, guys. And if anybody are not subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching, guys. Please do hard work for these 10 days. And if anybody are having exam on 22nd, please don't waste your time. And if anybody are having 28th examination, 27th, 21st, please do not waste your time also. But you are having extra edge from me, from us who are having exam on 22nd. And also from my side, I'm going to give you update regarding my prelims. So till that, just prepare and give your best. That's it, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.